To my YouTube channel. Today I will going to show you two ways to take screenshots in your Windows 10 computer. Let's go to video. How to take screenshots. Number 1. When you click Windows button and print exe button, you can see it blend like this. Then the screenshots has saved. To watch this screenshot, go to the File Explorer in your computer and go to the Pictures. And there's a folder named screenshots. Then go to this folder and see your screenshot. Second one is software in your Windows 10 PC. First go to the search bar and search snipping tool. When you search this, you can see that tool. Then open this. When you open this, you can see that there you have to choose a mode. You can choose free from snip, rectangle snip, window snip, full screen snip. Then I choose rectangle snip. In rectangle snip you can capture the area what you want to take screenshot, and there you can see your screenshot. To save this screenshot, go to the file and go to save as. There you can save your screenshot anywhere what you want. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.